Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of the extraordinary herb known as thyme. Beyond its culinary uses, thyme has long been revered for its remarkable health benefits, cherished by cultures around the world for centuries. In this video, we'll delve into the rich tapestry of thyme's medicinal properties, unveiling its potential to promote wellness and vitality in mind, body, and spirit. Join us as we uncover the secrets of thyme, from its powerful antimicrobial properties to its soothing effects on respiratory health and beyond. Let's embark on a journey into the world of herbal medicine, where thyme emerges as a true champion of well-being. First and foremost, thyme contains varying levels of thymol depending on the species and growing conditions. Thymol is a key component of thyme essential oil and is responsible for much of its antimicrobial activity. Thyme essential oil has been shown to exhibit broad-spectrum antibacterial activity against a wide range of bacteria, including both gram-positive and gram-negative strains. It can inhibit the growth of bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, Salmonella species, and Bacillus subtilis. Thyme oil also demonstrates antifungal properties, making it effective against various fungal infections. It can inhibit the growth of fungi such as Candida albicans, which is responsible for yeast infections. Some research suggests that thyme essential oil may possess antiviral properties, although more studies are needed to fully understand its effectiveness against specific viruses. However, preliminary research indicates that thyme oil may help inhibit the replication of certain viruses, including herpes simplex virus, HSV. Thyme's antimicrobial effects are thought to be due to several mechanisms. Thymol disrupts the cell membranes of bacteria and fungi, leading to leakage of cellular contents and ultimately cell death. It can also interfere with the synthesis of important enzymes and proteins essential for microbial growth and replication. Thyme essential oil is commonly used in aromatherapy, topical applications, and as a food preservative due to its antimicrobial properties. It is also an ingredient in various natural remedies, herbal supplements, and personal care products designed to combat infections and promote overall health. What's more, thyme contains several bioactive compounds that contribute to its anti-inflammatory effects. Thymol, carvacrol, rosmarinic acid, and flavonoids are among the key compounds found in thyme that have been studied for their anti-inflammatory properties. Thyme extracts and essential oils have been shown to inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory mediators, such as cytokines, prostaglandins, and leukotrienes. By reducing the levels of these inflammatory molecules, thyme helps mitigate inflammation in the body. Its compounds may modulate the immune response, helping to regulate the body's inflammatory reactions. This modulation can prevent excessive inflammation, which is often associated with chronic inflammatory diseases. While thyme essential oil is generally considered safe when used appropriately, it is highly concentrated and should be diluted before topical application to avoid skin irritation or sensitization. Ingestion of large amounts of thyme oil can be toxic and should be avoided. Inflammation and oxidative stress are closely linked processes in the body. Thyme's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, thereby alleviating inflammation and protecting cells from damage. Thyme's anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable natural remedy for conditions characterized by inflammation, such as arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Thyme extracts and essential oils are often used in herbal preparations and dietary supplements targeting inflammation-related ailments. Thyme essential oil is sometimes used topically to relieve inflammation associated with skin conditions like acne, eczema, and insect bites. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it effective in soothing skin irritation and promoting healing. Additionally, thyme has been historically used to support respiratory health and treat respiratory ailments due to its expectorant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Thyme contains compounds that help promote the loosening and expulsion of mucus from the respiratory tract. This expectorant action can be beneficial for relieving congestion and facilitating easier breathing, particularly during respiratory infections such as the common cold and flu. Thyme exhibits antimicrobial properties, primarily attributed to compounds like thymol and carvacrol found in its essential oil. These compounds have been shown to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal effects, which may help combat respiratory infections caused by pathogens such as bacteria and viruses. Thyme is often used as a natural remedy for coughs, including both dry coughs and productive coughs with phlegm. Its expectorant properties help thin and expel mucus, while its antimicrobial effects may help address the underlying cause of respiratory infections that lead to coughing. It may also help relax the bronchial muscles, making it easier for individuals with conditions such as asthma or bronchitis to breathe more comfortably. Thyme preparations, including teas and steam inhalations, can help soothe inflamed airways and alleviate respiratory symptoms. Chronic respiratory conditions such as asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, are often associated with oxidative stress and inflammation in the airways. Thyme's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation, potentially providing relief from respiratory symptoms and protecting lung health. Thyme steam inhalation can help alleviate sinus congestion and promote sinus drainage. Inhaling the aromatic vapors of thyme, essential oil or brewed thyme tea, can help clear nasal passages and relieve sinus pressure associated with sinusitis and allergies. Thyme acts as a natural decongestant, helping to reduce nasal congestion and sinus blockages. Thyme preparations may stimulate the flow of mucus and support the body's natural mechanisms for clearing respiratory passages. Regular consumption as part of a balanced diet, or the use of thyme-based herbal remedies, may help strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of respiratory infections. Its antimicrobial properties may also help prevent the spread of respiratory pathogens. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know thyme has been recognized for its potential to support digestive health and alleviate various digestive issues? Thyme contains compounds that help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, such as amylase, lipase, and protease, which are essential for breaking down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in the digestive system. This enhanced enzyme activity can improve overall digestion and nutrient absorption. Thyme may also support liver function and bile production. Bile plays a crucial role in emulsifying fats and aiding their digestion and absorption in the small intestine. By promoting bile production, thyme helps optimize fat digestion and prevents issues like bloating and indigestion. Thyme's carminative properties help alleviate gas, bloating, and flatulence by relaxing the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract and facilitating the expulsion of trapped gas. Thyme tea or infusions made with thyme can be particularly soothing for digestive discomfort. Thyme is known for its soothing effect on the digestive system. It can help relieve symptoms of indigestion, heartburn, and nausea by calming digestive spasms and reducing gastric irritation. Thyme tea or tinctures may be especially effective for easing mild digestive disturbances. It may also promote healthy intestinal motility, which is essential for regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. By supporting smooth muscle function in the intestines, thyme helps maintain optimal digestive transit time and bowel regularity. The compounds including thymol and rosmarinic acid possess antioxidant properties that help protect the gastrointestinal mucosa from oxidative damage and inflammation. This protection supports overall gut health and may reduce the risk of digestive disorders. Incorporating thyme into your diet, whether as a culinary herb, herbal tea, or dietary supplement, can contribute to improved digestive function and gastrointestinal comfort. But wait, there is more. Thyme offers several potential benefits for heart health. Thyme is rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin A. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, which can cause oxidative damage to cells and contribute to cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis and heart disease. Thyme may promote vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels, which can help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. Compounds found in thyme, such as rosmarinic acid and flavonoids, have been shown to relax blood vessels and enhance circulation, reducing strain on the heart and lowering the risk of hypertension and stroke. Some research suggests that thyme may help regulate cholesterol levels by inhibiting the synthesis of cholesterol in the liver and promoting the excretion of cholesterol from the body. By lowering LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol, thyme may help reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries and coronary artery disease. Thyme contains natural compounds that possess antiplatelet and anticoagulant properties, which can help prevent the formation of blood clots in the arteries and reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. These antithrombotic effects may contribute to overall cardiovascular health and reduce the incidence of cardiovascular events. Thyme's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, combined with its ability to support healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels, contribute to its overall cardioprotective effects. Regular consumption of thyme as part of a balanced diet may help reduce the risk of developing heart disease and improve overall heart function. Some research suggests that thyme essential oil may help reduce stress and anxiety levels, which can have indirect benefits for heart health. Chronic stress is associated with an increased risk of heart disease, and stress management techniques such as aromatherapy with thyme oil may help promote relaxation and cardiovascular wellness. But the benefits don't stop there. Thyme offers several potential benefits for skin health. It contains compounds like thymol and carvacrol, which exhibit strong antimicrobial properties. These compounds help fight against bacteria, fungi, and viruses that can contribute to skin infections, acne, and other dermatological issues. Thyme essential oil is often used topically to help cleanse and protect the skin from microbial invaders. Thyme's antimicrobial properties make it effective in combating the bacteria that contribute to acne breakouts, such as Propionibacterium acnes. Thyme extracts or thyme essential oil can be applied to the skin to help reduce acne-causing bacteria and prevent the formation of pimples and blemishes. Inflammation is a common factor in various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Thyme contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce redness, swelling, and irritation associated with inflammatory skin conditions. Applying thyme-infused preparations topically can help soothe inflamed skin and alleviate discomfort. It has been used historically for wound healing due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Applying thyme-infused preparations to minor cuts, scrapes, and abrasions may help prevent infection, reduce inflammation, and promote faster healing of the skin. Thyme's antifungal properties make it effective against fungal infections of the skin, such as athlete's foot and ringworm. Thyme essential oil can be diluted and applied topically to affected areas to help clear fungal infections and alleviate symptoms like itching and redness. Its extracts contain compounds that help brighten and even out the skin tone. Regular use of thyme-infused skincare products may help reduce the appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and blemishes, resulting in a more radiant complexion. Thyme can be also used as a natural cleanser to help remove dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin. Thyme-infused facial cleansers or toners can help purify the skin without stripping away its natural oils, leaving it feeling clean, refreshed, and balanced. Lastly, thyme is believed to offer certain benefits for menstrual relief, although scientific evidence supporting its efficacy in this regard is limited. It contains compounds that possess antispasmodic properties, which may help relax uterine muscles and reduce menstrual cramps, dysmenorrhea. Menstrual cramps are caused by the contraction of the uterus as it sheds its lining during menstruation. Thyme may help ease these cramps by promoting muscle relaxation. Thyme's analgesic properties may help alleviate menstrual pain and discomfort. Some individuals find relief from using thyme-infused herbal teas or supplements during their menstrual cycle. The mild analgesic effects of thyme may help reduce the severity of menstrual cramps and lower abdominal pain. While more research is needed, some herbalists suggest that thyme may help regulate the menstrual cycle by balancing hormone levels and supporting overall reproductive health. However, scientific evidence supporting this claim is currently lacking. Thyme's calming and soothing effects may help alleviate premenstrual symptoms such as irritability, mood swings, and anxiety. Thyme tea or aromatherapy with thyme. Essential oil may promote relaxation and emotional well-being during the premenstrual phase. Some herbalists believe that thyme's ability to improve blood circulation may help alleviate menstrual discomfort by enhancing blood flow to the pelvic region. Improved circulation may help reduce congestion and alleviate symptoms associated with menstrual cramps and bloating. Thyme is often used as part of a holistic approach to menstrual relief, complementing other lifestyle modifications such as dietary changes, stress management techniques, and regular exercise. While thyme may provide symptomatic relief, it is not a substitute for medical treatment, especially for underlying gynecological conditions. And there you have it, folks. as we conclude our journey into the remarkable world of thyme and its myriad health benefits. Let's remember the profound wisdom nature offers us through its gifts. Let's continue to cherish and respect the natural treasures that surround us, embracing the timeless wisdom they hold for nurturing our bodies, minds, and spirits. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.